Hey everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about some new hair extensions. So if you guys have seen some of my other videos, you know that I promote a particular brand, but the extensions I have with that brand are in my red color. So I don't have any blonde ones right now. Well, I decided to give another brand a shot. This one is significantly cheaper than my other brand, and I just wanted to see if they would work. So I'm gonna do my honest review here. I actually bought these off of the TikTok shop, but you can get them on Amazon as well. These are the Full Shine human hair extensions, and like, I can't get over how good of a match these are for my hair. So I got these in, I think it's the 18-inch golden balayage. So my hair is definitely kind of like a golden blonde right now. I was very skeptical because you just never know what you're gonna get off of Amazon, but I was pleasantly surprised by these. So like I said, these are the 18-inch. And I'm gonna say one thing right off the bat. When you guys order new extensions, don't judge them by the first time you wear them, like right out of the box. You need to wash them, but they're gonna get so much more texture. They're gonna be a little thicker because when you first get them, they're super silky and soft and like they just don't blend very well. So I'm gonna show you guys these and we're gonna put them in. I'll show you how I apply them and then I'll style them a little bit. And I wanna say these were around $70, maybe less, I don't remember. These are the balayage ones, so you can kind of see they kind of look like they've got little highlights. And let's see. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I do to apply them because I'm not gonna lie, they are kind of thin. Compared to my other ones that I use, these are they're thin. But like this one, so this is how the clips look, and you know, they're whatever. So what I like to do is the ones that are the same, I actually clip them together. So I take the one clip and clip it to the other hair like that. So you kind of have like a double. Does that make sense? So I kind of like doubled them up like that. I clipped them to each other. So these come with, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I take both of the 3 clips and I clip them together to make like one, you know, giant one like that. And then it comes with one of these long, this is a long 4 clip. And then you've got two clips. So, all right, I am going to get to putting these in and show you guys how I do that. Okay, so what I like to do is I pull a lot of my hair back, and then I'm actually gonna tie the little back piece into a ponytail. You could totally braid it. I'm not like going anywhere today, so I'm just gonna kind of put it in a pony just to kind of show you guys. So this is what I have left back here. So I'm just gonna tie that into a little ponytail. The two clips that I have together, I'm gonna take that one first, and I'm just gonna clip it in right like this. And then I'm gonna try to keep it pretty close to the one that I just put in because once I get to the top, like my hair is thinner, so I don't want you to be able to see the track. Okay, now I'm gonna take the two 3 clips and we're gonna do the same thing. So already these are giving off some nice thickness here. Is that my real hair? Yeah, that's a little bit of my real hair there. Okay, and then we're gonna do it again. I'm still trying to keep it close to the last one just so that, like I said, so that you can't see it on the top. And this one's really long, so you're gonna wanna make sure you have like enough space on each side for the clips. All right, so now we're gonna take the long 4 clip. And I love how that one, I mean, it literally goes like almost, I mean, it goes like to my ear. So that's gonna give you a lot of thickness on the side as well. All I have left are the two clips. And what I like to do with those is put them like right here, just so I have a little bit more that comes down like to frame my face. I like to take it back. I want to make sure that it's down far enough, like I said earlier, so that you're not going to be able to see it on the top. All right, and then you're just gonna kind of wanna play with them a little bit, make sure that they are down, make sure that they're like low enough in the back where you're not gonna be able to see them. And this is just in my hair. I have not styled anything at all. What I kind of like to do is like the parts that are kind of like I can feel back here, I like to tease my hair up just a little, just so that, you know, so you won't be able to see them. I'm gonna go get my curling iron and then just style them just a little. But honestly, like this is just applying them. Like this is just putting them in. I mean, I could walk out the door like this. I love these things. And I will say, I do like that they're not super duper thick. I feel like the really, really thick ones look really unnatural, but I feel like these look pretty natural. And I'm so happy with the color match. I like these. Okay, so what I like to do when styling the extensions, I like to make sure that I get some of my hair and some of the extension in, and then that way it just blends them so much easier. So I'm just gonna take a little. You wanna like start in the center so you don't lose your real hair, and then you just kind of like twirl them together. And normally I like to leave a little bit out on the ends, like straight, you know, like, but with these, I like to go all the way to the bottom. And if there's any spots where you feel like you can really see your hair, just make sure you go in and like take some of the extension and just curl them together, and that'll blend them so much better. Like you can't even tell where my real hair is really. And there's like a couple spots, but for the most part, I think it just looks like I have layers. And the good thing about these is that, like I said, they're human hair, so you can curl them, you can straighten them. They just feel like my real hair. All right, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. Like, they're so pretty. I can't get over these. I love them. I haven't even really done anything with the back, so hopefully it looks okay, but I haven't even really curled them or anything. But overall, I'm happy with these. They're, like I said, they're significantly cheaper than the ones I usually wear. So happy. So if you guys have a golden blonde hair color, these match so good. So highly recommend. I will link them down in the description box. Like I said, I got these off a TikTok shop, but they do have them on Amazon too if you don't have TikTok. So I will link them both down below if you guys want to check them out. Let me know if you've ever tried this brand. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And